Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete your Pinterest account. First of all, you can open the Pinterest application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can now tap again profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and you can just simply tap on account management, and here you can just simply see the last option, that is delete your data and account. Tap on it, and after this you can now tap on continue, and after following the process the account will be deleted on Pinterest. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes our browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.